Looking for a reliable edge banding solution for your furniture factory? The PRO-610M automatic edge banding machine is designed to deliver smooth, precise, and durable edge finish for MDF, plywood, and particle board panels. Equipped with a complete 6-function processing system including glue application and trimming, rough trimming, fine trimming, corner rounding, and polishing, this machine ensures a professional edge quality in every panel. The PRO-610M improves productivity, reduces manual labor, and guarantees consistent results for cabinets, wardrobes, and furniture production. With stable performance, easy operation, and durable components, this machine is an ideal choice for woodworking workshops and industrial furniture manufacturers. Upgrade your production line today with the PRO-610M edge banding machine and achieve faster, cleaner, and more professional results. Contact us now for more details and pricing.